Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making bacon strawberry shortcake burger. Sounds interesting. What all goes into the bacon strawberry shortcake burger? 1 pound ground beef. I'm just going to use already made up patties. 1/2 pound bacon cooked and crumbled. I'm going to be using already cooked real chopped bacon pieces. 1 cup fresh strawberries sliced, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup whipped cream, 4 hamburger buns, and 4 tablespoons strawberry jam. So let's begin. So season your patties with salt and pepper on both sides. And set that aside. So take your griddle or your skillet and preheat it to medium-high. While your griddle is preheating, take your strawberries, which is 1 cup, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Dump the sugar on top of the strawberries and let them set for 10 minutes so it can release its juices. So the griddle is steaming, it is preheated. We'll take our hamburgers. I'm going to lay a piece of butter on each spot where the hamburgers are going to lay. That will help them get a little bit crispier. And you want to cook these 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it's the doneness that you want. While your patties are cooking, we'll toast our buns. You can toast them on the grill or a toaster. I'm going to do my toaster. Put it under the bagel setting. So the hamburgers are done. I'll set them on a plate and let them rest for a few minutes while I get everything else ready. So take your toasted bun, take a tablespoon of the strawberry jam, put it on the bottom bun and spread it out. Then put a beef patty on top of the jam. Then put some crumbled bacon on top of the beef patty. Then put some strawberries on top of the bacon. And then top the strawberries with the whipped cream. And then put your top bun on top. So here is the bacon strawberry shortcake burger. And rounding out the meal is French fries. Let's see what Dave thinks.
She was smiling at me when she walked over here, so I don't know what's fixing to happen.
It's a bacon strawberry shortcake burger. Surprise!
Is that whipped cream?
It's whipped cream. It's got strawberry jam, strawberries, and whipped cream.
You know what it needs? A napkin.
Is it a little messy?
I'm a little messy. Actually, this is pretty good.
I'm glad you tried it before I did.
You know, it's kind of like if you have jelly on your toast and you eat it with sausage or a beef patty, you know, for breakfast with bacon, and it's kind of got a little all of that stuff in it. And actually, it is kind of good. It's kind of hard to work with. Kind of makes you go, but it's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.